Okay, today we are going to get into N2 in the specification of the 9 to 1 GCSE Edexcel paper foundation. In this video, we are going to be discussing adding integers, subtracting them, multiplying, and dividing them, as you can see in the screen. Okay, let's jump in. We're going to be adding integers. I know it's simple, but I cannot stress how much people actually make silly little mistakes in these type of problem questions. But anyways, we're just going to go jump into a question right now. Okay, 2010 plus 351. Now we're going to add them by using our tens and units in a vertical form. Okay, here we go. Like the normal addition, this one is just in a vertical way. So 0 plus 5 is 5. So I'm just going to show you an example in a horizontal way, like our normal type of thing in primary school. So 1 plus 1, that would be 2. Just show you now. 0 plus 3, which is 3. And the imaginary 0 there, which is 2 plus 0 is 2. So 2,325. Okay, so the next question is going to be a long one. Okay, we are going to do 7 plus 7, which is 14, which is too big, so we have to take that 10 away, so that 1 represents the 10. So you're going to put that in the next one, so that will make 1 plus 1, 2 plus 8, which will be 10. And since that's a 2-digit number, we're going to take that 1 up and put it to the next person. And that's 10 again, so we're going to carry the 1 again. And now it's 2 plus 2 plus 1, which that equals 5. And then, oh, no ones this time, no 2 digits. It's because it's 1-digit number. It doesn't need to, you don't need to carry the 10 because that's just getting rid of the 10. That's why the 1 represents 10. Then it's 1 plus 6, which is 7, and then 2 plus 0, which is 2. Okay, moving on to the next topic, which is subtracting integers. Subtracting meaning by taking away the numbers. We'll start with 4 minus 9, which is, there's a rule where you put the big number on top of the small one, but in this case, it is. So why, we're just a bit confused that, can we subtract 4 by 9? Like, we're just, I don't know. That's what we're going to do in this case. And we're going to figure out how we're going to make that top number bigger. So we're going to borrow from the next numbers, or from your neighbor, which that 6 will turn into a 5, and that will turn into a 14. So it'll be 14 minus 9, which that's 5. Next one is just normal, and 5 is bigger than 3, so therefore 5 minus 3 is 2. Ooh, now there's another problem. Again, it's the same, so we're going to have to borrow, but 0, the next number is 0, so we have to borrow from another one, which that 7 now is going to turn into 6, and that's going to turn into 10, and that's going to turn into 9, and you're going to borrow that 10 and turn that into 14, so 14 minus 8 will be 6, and then 9 minus 2 will be 7, and then 6 minus 0, which will be 6, which will be outstanding 67,625. Okay, so we're going to do some multiplication in integers. So we're starting with 500 and 1 times 51. So it's vertical, it's kind of like addition, so 1 times 1, which is 1. But then it's a crisscross type of method. So it's 1 times 1, 1 times 0, and 1 times 5. So it will be the same as 5, so 5 times 1, 5 times 0, 5 times 5. It's crisscross type of way. Let me just rub it out. Sorry, let me just fix it up. Okay. Okay, so let's continue the question. So 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5. Now, in multiplication, you usually have to add the magic 0 when you go move on to the second number, because this is long multiplication. So, yeah, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 0 is 0, and 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so we're going to move on, and you have to add the numbers together. You did. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, which your answer overall is 25,551. Okay, now we're going to move on